everyone, and welcome back to my new vlog. Welcome to Valencia and welcome to my new room for the next 3 months. I was really waiting for a long time to just announce that I'm going again to Spain, and I was really excited about it, but I just don't like speaking about things before I move or before something big happens, just in case, because I don't want to jinx it and then maybe, I don't go or something happens. I came here on 29th June, so a couple of days ago, and I was starting my internship on 3rd July, which is today. And then I stayed for 2 nights, I think, in Airbnb, and then I moved to this room because I could take it only from 1st July. So it was still annoying that after 2 days I have to move all the way here with all these suitcases and everything. Luckily, Airbnb is like 15 minutes away from where I live now, but I went like by foot. Now I feel like I settled down and everything is fine. Like, I've been here already for 2 days. I mean, I just need a few more things around the room to like make it completely mine, and I want to buy some plants to just have some greenery because this room has a lot of light. Here is sunset around 9:30, so it stays basically until 10 lights on, and I really love that about Spain, and especially this room because I have these huge windows and terrace that is just my own, so perfect. So yeah, basically when I moved, like, I wanted to just unpack and do everything first, like to make it homey. There is like other 4 rooms, but so far I think only 2 of them are taken besides mine. It's not full house, which is good so far. So yeah, this is how I spent my Saturday, moving in between places. On Friday and yesterday I went to the beach. It was really cool. I tanned. I don't know if you can see on the video, but I tanned really well. This is my first summer that I'm gonna spend actually like 3 months near the sea, near the beach. So basically I could go even like every evening or something, or I mean weekends for sure, but like we'll see about other days. As I said, the main reason why I'm here is my internship, so my working hours are a bit crazy. I mean, not crazy, but like we start anyways a bit later, but we end as well kind of late. So basically I'm gonna be working from 9:30 to 6:30, and then we have like 1 hour, 1.5 hours for lunch break. Even today I didn't work so much. I mean, it was my first day and everything, but still, I don't know. I feel like it's a chill atmosphere and I really like this studio. The studio I found is Masquespacio. It's like a little interior design firm, but they are very famous, and I really like how they are doing things like design wise. Really beautiful. And today when I saw the office, breathtaking. I was just so in love with the space. I mean, I shared it on Instagram, so it's fine if I leave here some photos, of course. It looks like I entered this Pinterest villa or something, like, I don't know. It was so amazing, and I'm really happy to work in a place that it's like so pretty. I mean, it's just more inspiring even to work in this environment, and people are so nice, the workers as well as the interns. I mean, I'm gonna show you through these 3 months maybe what am I working on or some things. Like, I'm not quite sure what will I do, because today they told us like at some days maybe we will do some workshop and like manual work with clay and some other materials, just not to be next to computer all the time. It's so hot, I have to take a fan. Like, the only bad thing about this room is I feel like because I don't have even like a fan, or like, okay, I don't need AC, but some fan would be nice. So the office is a bit outside of Valencia. I mean, basically it's 10 minutes from city center, and I feel like city is really kind of small-ish. I've been to Valencia 4 years ago, I think, so I've seen the city and I knew where I was moving. I don't like to go to the cities where I haven't been before to move, as you maybe noticed. Like for Venice, I've been there 5 times before I moved. Madrid as well, I visited when I visited Valencia as well. So it was kind of like I know the city, at least, like I know what's the vibe of the city. So I knew I would like it to live here. Yeah, so office is a bit outside of the center, but as I said, like I don't need a lot of time to reach, maybe like 30 minutes from my house or something, like 35, let's say. Around this house where is our office studio, there is nothing. Like literally it looks like, I don't know, like some village, but like no houses or something. Like, I don't even know why bus is going there, but it's pretty cool to see like how when you enter the space it changes completely and you feel like you're in this amazing like fairy tale or something, and then when you step out it's like, oh, okay, like not so pretty after all. I applied again through Erasmus just for the finance reasons, If I did my internship in Italy, it would be enough if I did only 100 hours, I think, of work or something, which can be done in like a month or something. Since I'm doing Erasmus, minimum is 3 months, so I have to stay like longer and do, let's say, 500 hours, I think, as I calculated, which is more than I need for my 4 credits. I feel like, yeah, I just wanted to find the cool place and as well to have beach nearby, so I kind of balanced to find it like this was the best option that I found so far. Yeah, I got accepted in some office as well in Portugal. I think it was Porto. One office in Barcelona said as well, like, yeah, sure, like you could come, blah, blah, blah. I really wanted so much to go to Barcelona for some reason. I don't know why. One day I sat down and I was like, why wouldn't I apply for Valencia? I mean, it's a nice city. I really liked it when I was there. It's like my favorite architecture piece is here, which is this Calatrava, Ciudad de las Artes y las Ciencias. So I don't understand why I wouldn't like think of it even. I applied really to so many firms, like over 40. And I don't know if some of you are looking for internship or already did it. Maybe you know that it's like a big issue, let's say, because so many firms don't even reply. Some of them reply we are full, some of them require at least 6 months, which is too much. I have thesis to write too, so I just wanted to do it for summer and then like to have the rest of the year to write my thesis that I have to finish by March. I mean, even before, I just have to present it in March. So I really wanted like the end of the year off so that I can work on my final project, and this was the perfect opportunity. Like, I'm really, really happy that they accepted me, because as well, I as an architect, maybe I don't know everything they want me to know in an interior design office. Do you want to do a room tour? Maybe that's more fun because I talk too much. I already received some cute messages when I announced that I moved here on Instagram, and I really, really love when I see that like you guys are happy for me, so it really means a lot to me, and thank you so much. So yeah, let's do a room tour. Okay, here is the overall view of the room looking from terrace. Sorry if some things are messy. I just came from work, so I didn't have time to just make everything perfect for this video. But here is a big bed, and here I have a couch, which I have to cover with something because this is like so bad. I didn't even want to sit on it since I came, but I didn't find anything suitable for it yet, so I will have to search for it in the next few days. I'm honestly so happy that I have a big bed because I never had it in my life, and honestly, it's such a queen mode when I'm sleeping alone in this bed. Here is of course a small night table with my planners and things like that. You see jewelry, perfume, blah blah, my Polaroid, things like that. I mean, just normal things that I always have in my night table. Here is a big mirror. Luckily, I can see my outfits because that's very important in the morning to know how I look like. And then here is the entrance door. Here, okay, I have some things like toilet paper, things for washing machine, and then here is my like laundry. And then here is the closet, which has a lot of space. I mean, enough space for me. I just put most of my stuff on hangers because it's easier and like I can see it better what I have. And here I have some tops, and here are the shorts and pants, and down there just normally like shoes. Up there is my suitcase with another suitcase inside and my backpack. Here we have some drawers where I keep like towels and things like that, bags, I don't know, like just things that don't have to be visible. Here is my little makeup stand. I just bought this from Primark. I wanted it to look a bit organized, so it's better than it was before. Laptop as well. Currently I'm taking it to internship because they don't have enough computers for all the interns, so I'm using my laptop right now. So now I just put it there when I came back. Some fruits because I don't have enough space in the fridge. And then I found this candle in the house. Honestly, looks stupid, but it smells nice, so sometimes I just light it on. And then I have this kind of cool lamp. Then there is this table with 3 chairs, totally unnecessary, but like, okay, maybe when I have some guests or I don't know. I have like curtains. Normally I can close everything. Now I'm gonna show you the terrace, but like yeah, that is it basically what I have here. I'm not gonna show you where I live so that you don't stalk me or something. I just washed these pillows, so I have like a normal terrace table and chairs, and then there I have like this thing for the laundry. Like I just washed a towel from the beach, and yeah, I mean it's very big terrace, so I'm very happy about it. I don't know if I can show you now the kitchen and the bathroom. Let me see if there is no one there. Maybe we can do a little tour. This is the kitchen. I mean it's really big, and here we have like washing machine, okay, trash, things like that. And then here is the big fridge. These things here are mine. Yay, because I boiled them, so I need to know which ones are boiled. And here as well I have my things, like just bought some essentials. And the bathroom, I mean, looks completely normal. That's it, little house tour. Day 2 of my internship. I'm ready and let's go. Well, I missed my bus because I went to take a card for transportation. So now I have to wait another 20 minutes. Because my internship is in the middle of nowhere and bus goes one in like half an hour or something. So, yay. I'm late, obviously. This is the way to my internship. It's not very nice, but okay. Anyways, it's more important what's inside than the outdoors, right? Anyways, it's so close to Valencia. I mean, it is. It's just 10 minutes by bus. But there is nothing else. Finally home. Today was fun because I was doing more things, and the whole day I was just working, and like it was chill, but I was working, so I feel productive when I'm doing all the time something. Mostly, yeah, I was doing just AutoCAD drawings, so we had a plan, and then I was doing some sections and details and things like that, so normal things if you are doing architecture. So yeah, it was a nice and productive day. My street is so loud. I hope you can hear me. I don't want to close the window because I forgot to open it when I left, and now when I arrived it's super hot. Yeah, luckily at work there is AC, so I survived in my jeans, even though there is no dress code, like I can go in shorts or whatever. But yesterday I was caught in this big rain, so today I decided to just in case wear jeans and sneakers, and of course it didn't rain. I mean, luckily. The rest of the day I'm just gonna spend at home editing a video because I have to, and then I'm just gonna have dinner and chill a bit. I mean, we'll see how much time I need to edit this video. Made some cookies and dinner for today, soup and some bread. I'm not gonna eat all of it, obviously. dinner time. I think actually it's too loud on my terrace. I'm sorry in advance if you hear some children screaming around. I hope you can hear me. Yeah, it's a very busy neighborhood and children scream all the time, even when I'm trying to sleep like at midnight. Anyways, I just wanted to finish it here and to tell you that I'm really happy about my internship. It's just too loud and I can't even hear myself. So even today, like, I was doing something different than the previous day, basically because this is the interior design office. They are as well launching some of their designs and trying something new. Currently they are trying out these things out of clay, so you could see like 3D printer for clay, which I didn't even know it exists, but it's super cool to work with this new technology and to see how it's actually working. And then I was just modifying it today a little bit. For me, it's just super fun that I can do as well these type of things and not just laptop work. And as well, we were doing some videos for this woman who's the owner, so I think I found a perfect job where I can do a bit of workshop, a bit of filming, and a bit of laptop work. This first week really is going so far so well. I'm gonna continue showing you, like, probably not every day, because some days when I'm all day by the computer, it's really nothing to show and it's not so fun. I can't show you the projects they are working on because it's still like ongoing things, but I can leave the link of the office in the description box, so you can check out if you want their website and see other projects that they already did. It's super hot and I'm eating hot pasta, so I'm just dying. Even at work, I'm trying to bring something very light to eat. Usually I'm making salad with tuna or pasta. I have to be a bit creative with these recipes right now because I have to see what I can take away every day and not to get too bored from pastas and these things that are actually easy to make. I made this pasta that I'm eating now. I also made a bit more so that I can bring tomorrow to work. This is it live during the weekdays now. Basically working all day almost, coming home, cooking, editing a video if I have to, even though if I spend all day in the office on the computer, I really don't want to do like my video as well. But I really want to keep up with videos now and like show you the fun parts of my life here. So I'm going now to eat. I hope you enjoyed this vlog and I hope you are looking forward to the new vlogs. I really think this will be a fun summer and I'll try my best to show you the best parts of Valencia. Also other cities if I travel around a bit, but so far Valencia. Thank you so much for watching and thank you for supporting me always. I'm sending you kisses and hugs and I will see you very soon. Ciao!